Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh crap. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Lupita right here. I am coming back at you with a new video and also a new thing that I wanted to start. Not all my videos might have it because maybe I do forget, because I have that type of freaking brain that I always forget shit all the time. I wanted to start this where I have a little talk of the things that piss me off or what grinds my gears.
You know what really grinds my gears? You, America. Fuck you!
I want to really relate to you. I want you guys to relate to the things that I go through, to the things that piss me off, because I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one that get pissed off with those shits, okay? So some of them might not be really things that piss you off really bad, but it kind of gets you oh, really, bitch, what the fuck, you know? That type of year. So today I wanted to start off with telling you, you know what grinds my gears? So you know what grinds my gears? When beauty gurus launch a new freaking shit every single month. Let's just say one of them launches one thing right now and the other one launches one thing the next week and another one launches another new thing the next following week, and then I'm over here can you slow down? I don't got that much money.
They should have never gave a broke bitch some goddamn money.
Yeah, that grinds my ears. So yeah, so without further ado, let's start this video. For this video I wanted to do something a little bit more simple. So if you are looking for a look that is really full coverage and you're gonna look like you have a lot of a lot of layers of makeup, this video is not for you. This is for my simple bitches that want to get out of the house in less than an hour, maybe. So let's just try to do that, because I take a shitload of time doing my makeup, and a lot of it is because I play a lot, you know, I'm doing my makeup, I start dancing, I start doing all weird shit, I start looking at my phone, putting music on. So yeah, for today's video I wanted to do a glowy, dewy look, simple too, it's something that you could do really quick, because not everybody likes to contour and highlight and all that shit. The thing for me that takes the longest, it's my eyebrows, my eyeshadow, anything that has to do with my eyes, and also the contouring part. You have to really blend in, because you know, it just looks like you have a bunch of mierda in your face. So to start off with my makeup and stop, Lupita, shut the fuck up already, I'm gonna use a toner before my makeup, but this toner is by Carli. I think that's how you say it. K-O-P-A-R-I. Carli? I don't fucking know. But it's the coconut rose toner, and this one smells really good. And I'm just going to spray it all over my face and let it sit for a while before I prime it. I did it too close.
Estás bien pendeja, tú. Adiós y bye.
Usually I do my eyebrows first before I do anything else, but since I am trying not to use too much shit and do it this faster, I'm just going to brush them and leave them like that. And of course, if you are that type of bitch that doesn't have eyebrows, well, you could do that. I am really picky with my eyebrows. You should get picky with your eyebrows too. Back then it was cool to have little ass freaking eyebrows, but no, it's not cool anymore. So let them bitches grow, or draw some in. You could do that. I mean, I ain't judging you. I probably already las cansé with the same shit. This was my first illuminating primer that I got, and I really liked it. Oh shit, sorry. And I really liked it, so maybe I could find another one that it's as good as this one, because this one's my favorite. I'm going to be starting with my Dewy Luminex Wet n Wild primer. Ah, shit. That was too much. All right. So next, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. Y'all already know. And I am just going to be applying a little bit. I'm going to be blending it in with my sponge. Like I said, like, let me close you in. You can still see my freckles. You can add a little bit more and it will like cover a little bit more than this. But honestly, I don't give a shit. So now that I already applied my foundation, I'm gonna let the rest of my face just stay like that. And I am gonna close you guys in and do my eyes. So like I said, I'm not gonna do much with it. So I'm just going to pick two eyeshadows and work with that and see if like maybe it looks good or not. So for this look, I'm gonna be using the collaboration of Carli Bybel with BH Cosmetics, and this is it. And I'm gonna be using this shade right here. And I'm just going to be packing it all over my lid. Now that that is done, I'm going to be packing this shade here on my lid. The brush itself is not picking up so like good amount. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet it with that same toner that I use, and then I'm gonna try to do it again and see if it works. Okay, now we're talking. So now I'm gonna go back with my M441 and I'm just going to blend that in, make sure that I don't have any harsh lines. So I really don't like love this look, but I think after like everything's like done, it's gonna look a little bit better. Let's just leave it like that and see what the fuck happens. Okay, so for now, let's just do the concealer and then finish off the eye look. So I'm just going to apply some concealer. Let's just do that. And I'm just going to I look like all deformed and shit. I'm like hating this because I'm trying to do it quick and I feel like I'm missing a lot of stuff. Because I'm so used to like when I get ready do a lot of shit to my face, and then right now I'm like, what the fuck am I missing? Like, what the fuck? Okay, so now that I applied concealer, I'm just going to bake. I am going to finish off with this motherfucking eye look that I kind of do not like. This is supposed to be quick, not take a shitload of time to do it, right? So now that same shade, I'm gonna be applying it like under my eye. So I'm just going to be applying a little bit of eyeliner because I'm not going to be using eyeliner to do my wing liner on the top. So I am just going to do eyeliner on my waterline. So now I am just going to try to like smoke that out. This one's not working for me, so I'm going to change it. Like if you, oh shit, you want to like apply it and blending it up like if you are doing like your wing liner, but it's just going to be like smoky, you know. It's not gonna be like right there. It's just trying to like smoke it out without looking all like patchy, you know. This is what I mean, you know, like it's my eye starts here, but I blended it up towards the eyeshadow or where the eyeshadow ends, and it looks like I have a line. Like I don't know how to explain it, but you know what I'm saying, right? I'm trying to just blend it, and I blend it up, and once you have that little piquito there, all you do is blend this side down just so that it looks blended. Like I said, like you want to do it like as quick as possible, but this step is actually really like fast. I just take longer because I'm talking, you know. Now that I have that, let me take off this shit. Focus. Okay, so now that I have that, I am going to pop up some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, I am back with lashes. Let's finish the rest of our face. My eyes look really, really like open. You know, like I'm awake, bitch. So you won't have to contour and take a shitload of time trying to blend that shit out. I'm gonna be applying bronzer all over my face. Not like all over, but the areas that I usually contour. So I'm going to start with my cheeks. I'm really like pale, so if I don't use bronzer, I look really pale, bien blanca as fuck, like a ghost. Like I just like to apply it in the areas that I would like to like look a little bit more bronceada and shit. Get out of here quick as shit, so let's fucking do this shit quick. Now that I did that, I'm gonna use a little bit of blush. What I'm gonna be using is this blush here, and it's the Party by Tarte, and I'm just going to be applying a little bit on my cheeks. Okay, ya que tienes eso, what I like is I go over with this, and I just make sure that I didn't put too much. I don't want to look like a fucking payaso either. And then we're gonna do a highlight. So for the highlight, I like to use the Milani highlighter, and this one's Day Glow, and it looks like that. Look how it looks. And I'm just going to use my sponge and put a little bit on it.
Hey, se menea, 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 la cadera, se menea, la cadera, se menea, la cadera.
Now for the lips, I do a combo of a nude lipstick with a gloss. I'm going to be applying the color Kiss by Anastasia. And then I'm going to be applying the Milani Bare Pink lip bump. Now, like, for your hair, like, don't look at my armpits because I haven't shaved, so they kind of look like, alright, so let me just try to turn around so that you guys can't see my armpits. When I have no time to do my hair, what I do is that I just put it in a ponytail, not in a ponytail or like a bun, but right now also like if I just do a ponytail, this looks really like no bitch. So what I like to do, don't look at my fucking armpits. What I like to do, I just do like a messy bun. Like I really don't like whatever, you know. It's supposed to be messy. And then I just wear like a hair shit, you know what I mean. And then you are good to fucking go. Let's go. Vámonos ya. This is it, bitches. I do have like a way to do your hair like fast and look really good. I'll probably do that in another video to show you guys how to do like a good clean bun and look really like if you went to the salon, you spend a shitload of money on it, but honestly you just did it at home and easy as fuck. You can even use a sock for it. I could show you how to use a freaking sock with it, but not for this video. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Okay, so ciao, I'll see you in the next video.